Okay, go.
No. No, stay there.
Is it cooking?
I don't know. I gotta keep moving on. It doesn't want to stay.
Gosh, I don't think it's that hot.
Stay!
Oh, I think it's getting hot.
Yeah, I thought so.
Josh the chef cooking eggs on his truck. Yes, the thing not cooking. I think easy over would have been easier. Just crack open the egg and let it go. You think it's I don't think it's hot enough. What do you think? It's not getting nowhere.
Just keep moving.
Yeah. Oh, it's fucking hot, but...
I don't know if it's cooking. Look right there, it is.
Yeah.
Come on, bitch! Should let him drag down a bit.
Yeah.
Whoa!
I think it's getting there, look. We look like fucking retards.
It is.
Whoa!
I like them come right here.
Not in there! Wipe already.
Okay, you're trying to snug.
The snug.
Yeah.
Oh, look, I think someone's getting there. Or is it just smeared? Oh, I think someone. Let's think. Oh, we're gonna have to wash that. Hey, the thing was getting there, huh?
Yeah. There you go.
Yeah, all dry egg on top now. Okay, we're gonna try this on top.